Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Monday the 17th of May 2021. And we're asking, what the heck is going on with Elon Musk and Bitcoin? As we see the price plummet by $20,000 since its all-time high back in April, and Elon having committed $1.5 billion of his firm's money into this cryptocurrency, seems now to be having second thoughts. Or is he? Let's take a look. Now, yesterday we published our gold and silver weekly update for the week ending the 14th of May. And we've placed a link to this in the description box below, just in case you haven't had a chance to view it yet, where we pointed out that gold closed on Friday at $1,844 and silver at $27.45, while Bitcoin had fallen considerably, and as of Sunday stood at $48,976. Well, this morning it looks like precious metals are back in favour and Bitcoin is falling fast. At the time of writing, gold stands at $1,852, that's up $8, and silver at $27.71, that's up 26 cents, while Bitcoin languishes at $44,813, down over $4,000 since Sunday, and it's been even lower earlier today. So what appears to be happening? Has the steam run out of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? Well, it appears that most of the blame can be laid at Elon Musk's door, vis-a-vis his comments on Twitter and his recent actions about his firm not accepting Bitcoin in exchange for his motor cars. But it's his Twitterati over the weekend and this morning that has caused a major fall and then minor recovery, particularly in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Let's just take a look at what Reuters reported earlier today. Reuters article, dated 17th of May, 2021. Headline, Bitcoin hits 3-month low, then rallies on Musk tweets. Bitcoin rallied from 3-month low on Monday in a volatile session that saw investors initially selling and then buying cryptocurrencies in the wake of Tesla boss Elon Musk's tweets about the car maker's Bitcoin holdings. In his latest tweet, Musk said, Tesla has not sold any Bitcoin. That seeming clarification came after his weekend tweets that hinted Tesla is considering or may have already sold some of its massive holdings. Musk has boosted crypto markets with his enthusiasm for the asset class, but has lately roiled trade by appearing to cool on Bitcoin in favour of its one-time parody Dogecoin. The gyrations are beginning to spook even steeled traders. Bitcoin fell more than 9% on Monday, to as low as $42,185, its lowest since February the 8th, but rallied more than 5% to around $44,220. Ether, linked to the Ethereum blockchain, fell even more to as low as $3,123 and then rallied to $3,400. Dogecoin fell nearly 7% to 48 cents, and all three are well under recent records. Elon Musk has been the catalyst to this, but ultimately it just comes down to the nuts and bolts of what crypto really is. It's a store of value, but it's also a momentum vehicle. And right now the momentum is to the downside, said Chris Weston of brokerage Pepperstone in Melbourne. Why would I want to buy Bitcoin right now, even if I'm bullish, until the liquidation is over and you see some consolidation in price, Weston added. On Wednesday, Musk said Tesla would stop taking Bitcoin as payment owing to environmental concerns about energy use to process transactions. Defending that decision on Sunday, he suggested Tesla may have sold its own holdings. In response to an unverified Twitter account called @CryptoWhale, which said Bitcoiners are going to slap themselves next quarter when they find out Tesla dumped the rest of their Bitcoin holdings, with the amount of hate Elon Musk is getting, I wouldn't blame him. Musk wrote, "Indeed." It was not clear whether he was confirming sales or whether he referred only to the fact that he had faced criticism until his clarification in Monday's tweet. Musk said Tesla would not sell its Bitcoin, but the cryptocurrency has dropped by almost a quarter since Musk's reversal on Tesla taking it as payment. On Tuesday, Reuters reported Tesla is seeking to enter the multi-billion-dollar US renewable credit market, hoping to profit from the Biden administration's march towards new zero-emission goals. Dogecoin is also yet to fully recover from Musk describing it as a hustle, although he did boost the price last week by saying he was working to improve its efficiency. For an asset class that has surged this year, with Dogecoin up about 100-fold, Ether up more than 4-fold, and Bitcoin gaining 45%, some are beginning to call time on the wild ride. Our weekend trading is kicked up, and we're looking at some serious liquidations through the exchanges, said Pepperstone's Weston. I am closing the short Bitcoin and long Ethereum trade and moving to the sidelines, he added. I feel the dust really needs to settle here. Well, we all knew that the cryptocurrency market's recent surge would eventually run out of steam and a degree of pullback and consolidation would likely result. But who foresaw it being Elon Musk having such a great influence over their recent demise? We've heard rumour that there could be a degree of market manipulation here, but we've no evidence of that. But we do find it difficult to believe that Elon Musk, having invested such a significant sum into Bitcoin, then decides a few months later not to accept it in exchange for his motor cars, as its mining was not environmentally friendly. We all knew that years ago, and we even published that fact as part of our Bitcoin versus Gold and Silver series. So what the heck is really going on? Well, first of all, we doubt that it's likely to be buyer's remorse. That would be silly for a serious and significant investor such as Musk. We suspect he is planning something, but we're unsure as to exactly what. His appearance on Saturday Night Live criticizing Dogecoin is also peculiar, especially bearing in mind his apparent support for that too. Is he playing or toying with the markets? Alternatively, we all know how heated people become on Twitter. And is it a comms tool that perhaps he would be better leaving alone? But we suspect there is more to this story than meets the eye. It all appears to centre around carbon credit exchanges and investment tools. And now under President Joe Biden, a major thrust towards environmentally friendly initiatives and climate change policies. Even the Pope is being cajoled into attending the COP26 conference on climate change in November, being held in Glasgow in the United Kingdom. John Kerry, the climate envoy, is exerting the pressure. He stated on Saturday to the official Vatican news outlet, quote, I think that his voice, meaning the Pope, will be a very important voice leading up to and through the Glasgow conference, which I believe he intends to attend. Unquote. Now, it could be that Elon is finding himself on the wrong side of this debate by supporting Bitcoin and similar cryptocurrencies, which we all know uses enormous amounts of power energy to mine its coins. It's too early to tell, but something is up, and we can expect to see wide gyrations in crypto prices for some time to come. But meanwhile, both gold and silver are stabilizing in a marginally upward direction, which bodes well for the future. Now we end this video podcast on looking at an article written by Bloomberg covering the same subject as Reuters. So if you wish to skip it, then by all means do, but it puts a slightly different slant on its reporting. Whether you listen to that or not, please do comment below. Share with us your views as to what you think Musk is up to. Is it suspicious? Has he changed his mind? Is he just going to take his profits and run? Or do you think there's more to it? And maybe, just maybe, there could be another investment profile on its way up. Thank you so much for listening. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel, not forgetting to press the bell sign so you're notified of our videos as and when they are published. Bloomberg article, dated 17th of May 2021. Headline: Bitcoin steadies as Musk says Tesla hasn't sold from holdings. Bitcoin steadied after Elon Musk said Tesla Inc. hasn't sold from its holdings of the token, clarifying earlier comments that seem to imply the electric vehicle maker may sell or has sold its stake. The largest digital currency was at $44,900 as of 7:21 a.m. in London on Monday, after Musk in a tweet said, "To clarify speculation, Tesla has not sold any Bitcoin." Earlier, the token slid to $42,185, the lowest since February. It's about $20,000 off the record set in April. Tesla Chief Executive Officer Musk spent the past couple of days dueling on Twitter with critics of his move to suspend acceptance of Bitcoin payments on environmental concerns. On Sunday, the mercurial billionaire seemed to agree with a post saying the electric vehicle maker should divest what at one point was a $1.5 billion Bitcoin stake. The saga added to a souring mood around cryptos in general amid a pullback in other coins like Ether and Dogecoin. Musk appears to have been taking on all comers on Twitter over the weekend and caused some chunky gyrations across the coins, Chris Weston, head of research at Pepperstone Group Limited, wrote in a note. Musk's disclosure in early February that Tesla had invested $1.5 billion in corporate cash to buy Bitcoin sent the token's price to a record and lent legitimacy to virtual currencies, which have come closer to being a more mainstream asset in recent months, despite lingering skepticism. But in the past week, his online commentary shook the crypto faithful, even as Musk reiterated his support for digital currencies overall. He lopped nearly $10,000 off the price of Bitcoin in hours last Wednesday, after saying Tesla would no longer accept it as payment for cars. In the same statement, the tycoon said the firm wouldn't be selling its holdings. A few days earlier, Musk had hosted Saturday Night Live and joked that Dogecoin, a token he had previously promoted, was a hustle, denting its price. Days later, he tweeted he was working with Doge developers to improve its transaction efficiency. Bitcoin was already falling on Sunday when Musk replied, indeed, to a tweet from @CryptoWhale suggesting Tesla get rid of its remaining Bitcoin holdings. His reply exacerbated the decline. Responding to another thread criticizing his Bitcoin stance, Musk said, "Obnoxious threads like this make me want to go all in on Doge." Some observers have cautioned that the cryptocurrency sector was ripe for a pullback anyway after giant gains over the past year. Bitcoin, for instance, is still sitting on more than a fourfold advance over the period. Ether, the second largest token, is up by more than 1,500%, and Dogecoin over 19,000%. End of article. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and share it on social media. Please ensure that you have subscribed to our channel and press the bell sign so that you are notified of any future videos. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe either as a free or paying member for regular email updates and offers. Disclaimer: Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.